Welcome back to this course, Introduction to Cybersecurity. Again, a presentation of coding boot camps. This lesson is Introduction to Computer Security, how to secure computers. Our topics: what is computer security threats, and best computer security practices. Just to recap, we had our Introduction to Cybersecurity, encryption, and computing device security. So components of a computer system, here's three ways to think about them. The hardware is the physical part of the computer, like the memory, the disk drives, the other chips that are in there. The firmware is software that's actually permanently etched into hardware and is mostly invisible to the user. It's mostly used for behind-the-scenes type of work. And then software programming that offers services like applications, word processors, internet browsers. That's what most users are familiar with. And that is not permanent software as far as the hardware goes. Again, the CIA Triad, the confidentiality, is ensuring that the information in the system is only available to the intended parties. The integrity is protecting the information and the computing resources from unauthorized parties, and that nothing is updated or deleted without the permission of the enterprise. And the availability is making sure the information is not being modified by unauthorized parties and that it is indeed available when needed by the enterprise or customers. Again, we have our confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Some common computer security threats. Viruses are programs, hidden programs that either update your files without your permission or cause functionality without your permission. Computer worms take over your system memory. Phishing, again, is a fraudulent software that causes you to think something is legitimate and tries to use fraud and trick you to giving confidential information such as bank account numbers or credit card numbers. A botnet are small programs that actually run on your computer. They are hidden as well, and they can actually do things like send out email on behalf of somebody else. Keyloggers are a way of getting your keystroke. So you might think your password is secret, but if the actual keys you're pressing are logged, your password can be stolen. Some best practices related to computer security: secure your computer physically. So and use reliable and reputable antivirus software. Stay up to date with the latest patches. For all of your devices, all of your applications, all of your operating systems. Avoid clicking on email attachments unless you absolutely know the source. Change passwords regularly. Use combinations of letters and numbers with different cases. Use the internet with caution. Ignore pop-ups or any drive-by downloads. Take time to research and see the latest as far as computer security and cyber threats, and perform full system scans periodically. You don't have to perform a full scan all of the time. A lot of times they take a lot of time. A lot of firewall software, a lot of antivirus software will do light scans that look for sections of memory, sections of disk that are likely to have threats. So you can do that and then do a periodic full scan every few weeks. So what we learned here in this session, again, we learned what is computer security threats, and some best practices related to computer security. For our follow-on session, we're going to talk about cybersecurity, what application security is and why it's important, our application security checklist, SQL injection, and how to perform SQL or SQL injection. Again, follow-on courses, please look into these in your learning materials: Introduction to the Linux Operating System, Blockchain Cybersecurity, and Introduction to Python Programming. All of these are very good courses to take. Lots of information in there for what is needed today in the workplace. Again, thank you for watching these videos, and please stay tuned for our next set of